OOW, multiple fishing vessel crossing our boat, bearing 270 to 300, distance approximately 1 mile from Lake Cliff of about 5 or 6. Some are crawling, others appear to be drifting.
Roger that. I've got them on radar. Their video control is unstable there. Their improvements are unpredictable.
I hope OOW, they're spreading out quite a bit. A lot of trawlers is coming quite close to our intended drop.
Okay, I see. Their course is slightly cross harbor to give you some room. Inform me immediately if any of them make any sudden changes to course or speed.
Will do. They're definitely making it interesting out there.
OOW, small sailboat, bearing 030 distance, approximately 2 miles. It's only tasty, but I can take a single mast. Just crossing our boat from harbor to port.
Good lookout. I see it now. Thanks. Keep an eye on her. She's little close for comfort.
Will do. She seems to be heading directly for the larger boat.
Right? I adjust our course slightly to give her some room. Let me know if her course or speed change significantly.
She's holding her course and speed looks like she's going to pass ahead of us. But it'll be a close one. Paano na? I-stop mo na.
Game na.
Man overboard, starboard side. It's about 80 meters astern. Wind over near the line route.
Alert. All hands. Look out. Keep in sight. Report this position constantly. Bridge to crew. Man overboard starboard side. Near the line craft. Prepare for immediately recovery.
You start getting the water. It's waiting starts bearing 160 distance about 75 meters.
Launching the rescue boat. Look out. Provide guidance to the rescue crew. Keep pointing him out.
Rescue boat, acknowledge. They're heading towards him now. He's still waving, but he looks exhausted.